The cap is part of your rotary hammer's bit chuck. The cap seals around the drill bit, sealing out dust from the chuck's internal components. Over time, the cap can be lost or wear from contact with the bit. Replacing the cap is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cap from the chuck. The cap is pressed onto the spindle. To remove it, I just pry it away. Now I can install the new cap. The cap aligns with the spindle and then just presses into place. And that's how simple it is to replace the cap on your rotary hammer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.